Good morning everyone. This is your computer period. Student, today we will do exercise. In the last video we have already learned about the lesson. I hope you have understood about the lesson. Yes. So today we will do exercise. Everyone take out your book. Again I will tell you, beta, you have to write down the date and the quotation when the chapter is started. Okay. Write down the date and quotation. Then in the computer we have already done this exercise. Now come to the this is the match the part of the TuxPaint window with their description. There is a canvas. Okay, this is the Tux window, this is the canvas, you know very well. This is the so many color buttons are called color box. This is the tools, this is the selector. So you have to match toolbox. What is toolbox? So toolbox is the group of tools like brush, shapes, etc. Okay, so you have to write number 1 here. Canvas. Canvas is the area where we draw something. Okay, this is the canvas. And the selector. Selector is the option tray. Okay, this is the option tray for every tool. This is the selector. Okay, color box is a group of color buttons. So we have right number 4. Help. Help, this is the help window. Okay, it shows Turks the penguin with the help text. You have to write the text here and penguin help your problem. Okay, so then you turn your page. Again you have to write down the date and quotation on the exercise. Okay, then you start your work. There are some pictures. Okay, take the correct answer. You have see the picture, which one is correct. Which of these is the shape tool? So student, with the help of name you can easily find out. This is the line tool and this is the shape tool. So you have to put the tick mark with the help of blue pencil. Number 2, which of these is the text tool? Text means when we write something. Okay, text means when we write with alphabets, using alphabets. So this is the alphabet. ABC is the alphabets. So you have to put the tick mark here. This one is the text tool. Okay, and this is the eraser. Which of these is selector? Selector. So this option tray is the selector. This one is the magic tool. So this is not a selector. This is the wrong. This is the wrong answer. You have to put the tick mark here. This is the selector. Okay, this is the selector. Number 4, which of these will you use to flip a stamp? To flip a stamp, we use swing these left and right arrow to use cycle the stamp. Cycle through the collection of stems. So this one is the flip a stamp. Okay, flip a stamp. Come to the next exercise. B, fill in the blanks. There are some options. You have to choose the option and complete the sentence. Is a program that is used and draw and color. So student, TuxPaint is a program. TuxPaint. Then which tool is draw lines? So you know very well, line tool is used to draw lines. Number 3, which tool is used to give special effect? So magic tool is used to give special effects. And the last one is which tool is used to delete a part, delete or erase a part of drawing. So that is eraser tool. ERASER. Now again you have to write T for true and F for false. The sentence which is not correct you have to write F, and which one is correct you have to write T, true. We can use TuxPaint to calculate. No, we use TuxPaint for drawing. Okay, so this is not a calculator. So this is false. Stems are real picture of photographs? No, stems are not real picture. Okay, so it is also false. Magic tool can be used to erase a drawing. No, it is not used to erase a drawing. It gives us it gives the magic effect, okay, some effect. So it is also false. We can change the size and direction of a stem. Yes, we can change. Okay. We can use the brush tool to type text. No, we cannot use the brush tool. The brush tool which we use to draw anything. Okay. We can use the brush tool type text. No, text tool is used to type text. So this one is also false. Student, you can see this drawing. Can you draw this drawing on your text pen? You have to do some effort to draw this. And when you draw this drawing, then you see which tool you use to draw the scenery, this scenery. So everyone, you have to use this. Okay, you can download TuxPrint in your mobile also. Okay. So we use paintbrush to make this picture. We have given some magic effects in this picture, so we have used magic tools. We have erased to erase this. This is the dark grey color, but here we erase, it becomes white, so we use eraser tool also. Stem, we have make a butterfly, birds with the help of stamp tool, okay. Now match the following tools with their names: line, shapes, magic stamp, text and eraser. So you have to choose and write the correct number. Okay. This one is line. Line means number 1. So you have line number 1. Shapes number 2. Magic number 3. Stamp number 4. Text, ABC means text. Text we write on F number 5, and the last one is eraser. We have to write eraser on number 6. So student, that's all for today. Your chapter is completed. In the next video we will continue our question answer. You have to learn these exercises, do these exercises in your book in very neat and clean handwriting. Or whatever you have not understand, then ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.